Hi, I'm Cadence. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about my December nomakenolife box. So it came at the beginning of December and now it's the middle of December. I can't believe this year is almost over. It's just so crazy to me. So this is going to be my last box of 2021. But there is one mention that I want to make before I get into the video. I previously won the October No Make No Life box Nico Glam. I'll put the picture I entered right here, and I definitely have to thank Lucky for helping me out because we kind of entered that together. So I think that he won the contest for me. I just was there. But so this came literally yesterday in the mail, and I got the Siamese one. I know there was Siamese and then the ragdoll kitten, and I really like this one. I actually used to have a Siamese cat, so it's kind of nice to be reminded of that. This one is from the brand Venus Marble, and I opened it up and I swatched it last night. I will insert some swatches here. It is so pretty. This one is my favorite thing that I have won so far from No Make No Life. You can kind of see the swatches that I have already done. But I would definitely insert some, and this is so pretty. I can't wait to use this. So the palette that I'll be using today is this one right here. So I'm excited to use it and see if they are as beautiful on the eye as they were just swatched. So here's my No Make No Life box. So before I pull anything out, I'm gonna open the pamphlet, and this month's theme is Christmas Clean, as expected for the holidays. And I'm going to flip to the page that has all of the products' names here so I don't get anything wrong. So the first thing that I see is this Easy Clip hair styler, and it just looks like a classic round brush, and it has a clip on it, and it looks like there is a page dedicated to this in the book, so I'll have to come back to that and try that out. The next thing that I see is this Kocostar Lip Mask, which is definitely what I need this holiday. I'm sure I'm not the only one whose lips get so dry during the holidays. And I also see the Dark Fantasy Cosmetic pouch, and I got this Poison Apple one, which I think is so neat. I like all the details on it, and it's perfect for carrying around all the little products in this box. I also see, which I'm really excited to try, is this Dodo 4 Colors Cheek Palette. Now, I really love all of the blushes that have come in the previous boxes so far, and I'm interested that there are 4 different colors that you can try, and I think I might just mix them. But yeah, I can't wait to try that. And the Dodo Multi Glitter. This is for a liquid-based glitter, and it's safe to use on the eyes, and it looks like I got Starlight Clear, and it is so pretty. I wish it would pick up on camera, but it's so pretty. I definitely can't wait to use that on the eye. I mean, I love glitter. So the Crayon Lip Tint, and I'm not exactly sure what color I got, but it says you can either get cherry red, strawberry red, or coral red, and I would say this looks more strawberry, but I could be wrong. It's just a really pretty red lip color. And to last product, I have this Moly Crystal Single Eyeshadow. It's denim inspired, long lasting, vivid color, and it looks like I got, I have no idea. Again, it looks like I could have either got indigo blue jean or rhodette beige jean. I'm assuming this would probably be more beige because it is like a bronzy color. So I'm going to try that out, and it does look shimmery, so that's going to be fun to try. My last thing that I got in this box is another skincare product, and it's the Mediheal N.M.F Aquaring Ampoule Mask. But I do like all their skincare products. I've never tried one from this brand. This brand has never been in this box so far that I have received, and it's Korean, and I've never heard of it, so I am excited to try this out. So that was all in December's box. There was a total of 8 products, so I am excited to try them all out. I'm going to try in this box and try everything out.